Welcome, Oasmia's CEO, Francois Martelet.
Morning, Martin.
Initially, Francois, can you give us a short story? Who are Oasmia?
Yes, certainly. So we are an innovative, integrated specialty pharma company using a technology platform in order to reformulate existing compounds, existing drugs, and or to generate new compounds.
And 2020 has been a special year with the prevailing corona pandemic. How have you been affected so far?
Right, so, and I will come back to that a bit later on, but we have launched APILA in February, and obviously, we've been hit by the COVID situation early March, and since that date onwards, most of the hospitals were locked down, so we were in a holding position, and we do hope that with the months to come, we will be able to relaunch APILA in the Nordics, and basically.
And you have presented a strategic review. In short, what is the outcome of that?
Right, so we performed an extensive review since I joined the company back in March. And then the outcome is mainly that we would stop commercial production, because commercial production facility is not our core business. We are in an R&D company, so we need to focus on research and development. And that's the main goal of the company. That means developing our own pipeline and also acquire licensing in other products in order to develop them.
And you have entered into a new partnership with Elevar that aims to commercialize your cancer treatment, APILA. Tell us about the work with APILA and how that is going.
Right. So this is a major transformational event for Oasmia. The size of the deal is close to $700 million US, plus double-digit royalties, so it's very significant. We are working with Elevar in a collaborative efforts in order to find a European partner to properly launch APILA in Europe and also in other parts of the world. And that requires a bit of time because we need to find the right partner with the right sales and marketing capabilities.
And you're also preparing a phase 1b study of docetaxel micellar for disseminated prostate cancer. Can you give us an update how that is going?
Right, so docetaxel micellar is a proprietary compound that we will be developing on our own. And we've been approached by the Swiss cancer research group called SAC in order to develop it in metastatic hormonal-resistant prostate cancer. That's a great indication for docetaxel micellar, which is super taxotere, and we do hope to have the first patient in Q1 of next year.
And you intend to broaden the ownership base to bring in larger institutional owners. Why is that important and how does that work go?
Yeah, obviously that was also part of the outcome of the strategic review. Since March, I've been fairly busy, doing the reorganization and refining the focus of the strategy of the company. And part of it is certainly to attract institutional investors in order to secure the future of Oasmia. And as you know, in this business, it takes time to develop drugs, to put them on the market. So therefore, the aim is to have a couple of very solid long-term investors to be able to go to the next level with Oasmia.
And if we look apart in your animal health, what is the plan for that in the future?
Well, clearly, with my background, with the board background, with the management team background as well, we are all, pharma/biotech executives. So we will continue to focus the company on the human health portfolio. Animal health business is interesting, but it's not our core business. So therefore, we will be looking at either divesting it or finding a partner in order to develop it further.
And in conclusion, what do you focus most on for the rest of 2020?
Yeah, that's a good question. So first of all, we need to deliver on the milestones that we have been continuously working on with the Elevar. So the milestone with the Elevar deal, that's the first point. 2 is to certainly broaden our pipeline. We need to beef up our pipeline by either attracting other compounds in and or acquiring other companies. So those are the 2 main things that we are focusing on. At the same time, we have our platform, XR17, our technology platform, that we are also working at developing new API to put into the machine.
Okay, Francois, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Martin.